5 Steps to Excellent Study by TV. Excellent study enables you to grasp the concept and principles of the subject you're interested in. When you grasp a subject fully, you can easily explain it. Besides, you'll be able to apply the knowledge in any situation that warrants it. Many students and candidates fail in exams because of poor understanding, not understanding the material. Some resort to cramming facts and figures into memory. The danger is, in exam the memory gets stressed out and disappoints. Not understanding the depth and breadth of subjects is the bane of educational systems today. What's the solution? How can you study and grasp the nitty-gritty of the subject? That's what this video was meant to address. 5 Steps to Excellent Study. Here's an acronym that captures the 5 steps to help you easily remember. SQ3R. S stands for survey. To effectively study any material, your first step must be to survey it. How? Check the theme or the major point. Usually that's the title. Look at the preview, subpoints, and the subtitles or subheadings. Also browse through the pictorial illustrations, diagrams, summary of points, and the conclusion at the end. Such detailed survey gives you a bird's eye view of the material, an overview that gets you ready for the next step. Q stands for question. At this point, raise questions pertaining to the subject matter. Deep ones, light ones, anything. Ask to get the gist of the material. Ask to learn about salient elements of the subject. Ask to find out how the subject can benefit you, how you can use it to solve real problems. Ask any questions that would deepen your understanding and raise your appreciation of the material. Asking those questions will fire up your motivation to dig deep in order to draw up the knowledge. Not just knowledge, but also understanding and wisdom. Wisdom is the crux of the whole exercise. When your motivation is high because you've raised interest-arousing questions, you'll readily take the next step. The first of the 3 R's is read. That's a prompt for you to read the material at a deeper level. Read systematically. Read to understand. Search for key points. Usually the first sentence in a new paragraph contains a key point. All the key points funnel into the major point, helping you to understand and furnish you answers to your questions. What you do at this juncture is in-depth reading. It's far beyond browsing or perusing. It's a purposeful exercise. You're reading for a goal, to relate the material to your current reality. When you're done with the in-depth reading, and cover the entire material, you're ready to proceed to the next step. The second of the 3 R's is recite. After reading, you have to reflect on what you read. Isolate the key points. Meditate on how they answer the questions you posed earlier. Besides isolating the key points as discrete units, it's vital to understand how they relate to each other. You must discover what's new in the material, how it differs from or adds to what you already know, and most importantly, how to apply the new knowledge. After you've done all the actions under recite, you're ready for the last but very important step. The third R is review. It's now time for you to meticulously go through the material again. Now close the material and answer the questions you posed at the beginning. Answer the questions in your own words. Strive to grasp the concepts and principles of the subject matter. Follow the logical development. Based on your answers, compose the notes that you may use later for revision. To entrench the new ideas in your mind, discuss them with others, and apply them whenever and wherever possible. We've just discussed the 5 steps top students use for meaningful study. The acronym for them is SQ3R. S denotes survey. Get a bird's eye view of the material. Q means question. Interrogate the material. The first R is read. To in-depth reading. Second R refers to recite. Isolate key points. Third R is review. Make a note of key points and their linkages. Have you benefited from this video? Kindly like and share it to your contacts. Also subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification too. Thanks for watching.